The growing shift toward digital banking has pushed many people to compare modern fintech platforms like Neon Bank with long-established traditional banks. Neon Bank positions itself around transparency, speed, and user-friendly services, and its fee structure reflects that approach. The platform typically emphasizes low or zero monthly maintenance charges, simplified transaction processes, and minimized penalties across everyday financial activities. Users often experience reduced barriers when opening accounts, making transfers, and managing their money from a mobile interface. In contrast, traditional banks operate with broader infrastructures and physical branch networks, which often translate into higher fees for routine services. Customers may encounter maintenance charges, card issuance costs, ATM withdrawal penalties, and extra administrative expenses tied to in-branch operations. These fees accumulate over time and can limit flexibility for individuals who want quick, affordable digital banking tools. Neon Bank's digital model reduces overhead, allowing it to deliver core services at lower cost and with fewer conditions. Features like free internal transfers, low international transaction charges, and instant digital statements support users who rely heavily on mobile banking. The lack of hidden charges gives customers clearer visibility into their financial activities and helps maintain better control over account management. Traditional banks, however, still provide advantages in areas such as physical cash handling, in-person consultations, and legacy financial products that require physical verification. Their services are often built around long-term stability, formal documentation, and established regulatory structures, making them suitable for users who prefer or require face-to-face interactions. Ultimately, the comparison revolves around convenience, cost efficiency, and personal banking habits. Neon Bank offers a lighter, digitally optimized fee system for users who prefer speed and minimal charges, while traditional banks remain consistent providers for those who value physical infrastructure and long-standing institutional support. Both systems serve specific needs, but their fee structures clearly highlight the shift toward streamlined digital banking experiences.